Hi, this is Valerie Dawn. In this video, I'll show you how to knit the rice stitch and how to read the knitting graph and corresponding pattern. Let's get started. The rice stitch is a very pretty raised purl pattern, and it's lovely in sweaters or as a background to cables. This is the pattern I am showing you here, and we'll see there are abbreviations, the most important being RS is the right side, WS is wrong side. Stitch glossary, of course there's knit and purl, and the special one in this pattern is the knit through back loop. This is a very simple pattern, and it looks more complicated than it is. The rice stitch works best with an odd number of stitches so that the right side rows will begin and end with a purl stitch here and here. We start with a wrong side row, which is all knit. This is the corresponding row on the graph. You will note that it shows all of the symbol dots, which is the symbol for purl. You will read the wrong side of the graph left to right. The dot symbol means you should purl while working on the right side and knit when working on the wrong side. We're working the wrong side, so these are all knit. This will always show purls on the right side once your work is finished. I've already completed row 1, and we turn for row 2. I'm using a really lovely Bliss 100% merino wool that I picked up from LOVECRAFTS. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can order it if you'd like to give it a try. I find it's a beautiful weight and color for traditional Aran cable sweaters. Row 2 is the right side. On this side we purl 1 and knit 1 through back loop, and then repeat to the end of the row, and on the last stitch is a purl. So this is the corresponding graph for this row, and recall the dot is the symbol for a purl when you're working the right side. This upward loop is the symbol for knit through back loop when you're working the right side, and when you're working the wrong side you purl through back loop. We don't have any purl through back loop in this pattern, they are all knit through back loop. This will put a pretty twist in the knit stitch. This is how you knit this stitch. This is the second row where you purl and then knit through back loop. This is what it looks like when it's all finished. Continue knitting these 2 rows for the desired length and then cast off. You can download this pattern page on my website. The link is in the description below. I'm going to be using the rice stitch in a beautiful mystery cable sweater knit along video series, and I hope you'll join me for that. Please remember to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.